Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting stainless grade and establishing exact dimensions. You need 304 or 316 and a thickness that matches exposure. Once chosen, cut and square the tubular frame to the opening, making sure you leave a 2-3 mm clearance for thermal movement. You then transfer hinge and lock locations directly onto the frame and door leaf. Mark center lines and planned 6 mm weld seams so your alignment stays true during tacking and welding. You form the door leaf by rolling or flat-cutting sheet to size and folding edges with an 8-10 mm allowance so the profile resists warping. Next, fit leaf to frame and tack every 200-300 mm to preserve geometry. Make short welds, then stitch them. If the door is both sides visible, back purge during TIG welding to avoid discoloration. Once welded, grind from coarse to fine 120-180 grit, then refine with 320-400 grit to restore a consistent grain and flat surface. You mount hinges and the strike plate, shimming to produce consistent 3-4 mm gaps around the leaf. Adjust until smooth swinging and proper latch engagement. Once fit is confirmed, clean with an alkaline wash, perform citric passivation to remove free iron, then polish the final grain. Polish last to avoid contamination. If the door distorts after welding, heat straighten locally, re-tack opposing welds to relieve stress, and if misalignment persists, cut out and refabricate the affected section.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.